What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Dogecoin here today. As you can see, the whales are starting to buy back in a little bit here on the dip with Dogecoin. So we're starting to get more money coming back in. And you also see here in the oscillator, there is some more buying coming in. Anyways, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. Now, as you can see with Dogecoin, the 24-hour market control is actually in control by the bulls by 60%. So it shows we're 60% bullish. The second we hit this green supply and demand area showing that we have lots of demand for Dogecoin, we ended up going here on an uptrend. Now over here, you can see on the oscillator, right after our oversold area, we were way oversold way back here when we broke out our consolidation. We were oversold. We had so much FUD, fear, uncertainty, and doubt in the market. And this red area is our supply and demand showing less demand for Dogecoin. Second, we popped out of that area. We went straight down on a strong downtrend. And then when we came back, we were off that oversold area. We started to have less selling pressure. And when we have less selling pressure, you start to see on here on the oscillator that it slowly becomes bullish and then more buying comes in. And then you see the chance of reversal. So after this little uptrend with Doge, we may actually have another chance of an uptrend. But we also have some bearish signals sending off too. So it's crazy because we're getting bullish and bearish signals left and right. So it's hard to tell whether it's a bull trap or a bear trap. Like no one can tell right now. This could quite well be a bull trap right now. This jump right here, it could be a bull trap. It's so much positive buying volume in such a short period of time that it could definitely be a bull trap. As you can see over here with the oscillator, it is starting to form a green area here of buying, but it's such a small area that it's quite possible that this could be a bull trap. And I think FX Street actually thinks that too. Let's go over their technical analysis here. Now, the whales, they're definitely going to continue to double down. But as you can see, Dogecoin price remains under bearish pressure as Doge bulls await lower entry levels. So the the whales, they're waiting to get in right now. They want it to get a little bit lower so then they can put their money in and buy the right dip. They want the lowest dip that they can possibly buy. So Dogecoin price can still correct another 15% before it sees bulls picking up buy side volume. Now, when they say Dogecoin, they really mean everything in the crypto market. Like you see, everything's trying to recover off of this huge drop that we had. Literally everything was down, and all these charts look the same from Ethereum to Bitcoin to Binance Coin to Dogecoin to Shiba Inu. Every single one of those charts looks the exact same. So it's not just only Dogecoin going down, it's everything. But yeah, 4.5% in the last 24 hours is what we're up by in Dogecoin. But yeah, let's keep going over this. Doge price already corrected 40% from high of October and still holds more downside potential. I love it when I see this, and I love it when they talk about the prices of cryptos going down, because me personally, I buy the dips. I'm one of those people that are just going to religiously buy the dips. As you can see here, Dogecoin is still going down on a downtrend. They're predicting that it drops another 15%. So that's going to be another 15% of a dip that I buy. Now over here, expect bears to squeeze out the remaining gains for their short positions with a possible bullish breakout next week. So although we are bearish in the short term, in the long term, we're bullish. As you can see, they're predicting that we're going to have a breakout next week after they continue to sell, after they continue to jack the price down. Once we hit a certain floor, that's when we're going to start to rise inside of crypto. So me personally, I'm predicting the price of Bitcoin to go down to like $50,000 quite possibly by next week if it keeps going on this path. And if that happens, then Dogecoin will probably end up going down to like 20 cents, possibly even 18 cent support, because there's huge support at 18 cents for Dogecoin. If this happens, I'm definitely buying the dips and I'm getting in at the best point possible. Now, Dogecoin has not exactly been in a sweet spot lately. As price action fades further to the downside, bears are continuing to penetrate important support levels and flipping them into resistance. Bulls, meanwhile, are awaiting the right moment for headwinds to fade before engaging and building a long position. So the bulls are waiting. They just want the bears to hurry up and go on and sell, because they know there's a lot of whales out there that are just waiting to sell Dogecoin. And then exactly when they do it, that's when the bulls are going to come in and buy that up. So expect the bears to run the Doge price or the Dogecoin price. I put that all together, the Doge price. But yeah, the Dogecoin price devaluation a further 15% lower before the bulls will engage, probably at around 20 cents. So they're saying when Dogecoin hits 20 cents, that's probably when we're going to see bulls getting in. And actually, you can see over here what my supply and demand areas, the vital algo supply and demand areas. Definitely check out the link in the description for vital algo. But you can see, like right above the 20-cent area, we do have this area here on 21 cents. It shows good demand for Dogecoin. So, anyways, we are definitely going to be doing some big stuff next week. So at that level, expect to see massive buy side take up with a bullish breakout potentially in the making next week. So next week is going to be pretty big for Doge, crypto in general, really. Anyways, Doge price sees momentum building for a bullish rebound. So Dogecoin price has not had such a good track record in the month of November. After a failed attempt to break above 36 cents, bears took over and ran Doge prices down by 40% towards 22 cents. Doge price was almost cut in half, and one would have thought this would be the right time to buy, but bulls refrained. So after bears turned quiet as few significant support levels into resistance. So Doge price's relative strength index still has some room to go in the neutral zone before hitting oversold territory. So expect bears to sit on their hands, therefore, and wait for a final push toward the monthly pivot level of 20 cents and possibly even a very short blip towards 19 cents. So they're saying that's an important low, and they're saying if we hit 19 cents, it would be very, very brief. Like we would hit it and then bounce right off of it, just like how we did way back here when we hit 21 cents. We hit it and immediately went on an uptrend, and just like how we did back here, we hit 24 cents and then we immediately went on another uptrend. So that's probably what we'll see if we hit 19 cents, but 20 cents is our expected support for Dogecoin. Now, Doge price may now be expected to be picked up by the bulls at around 19 cents to 20 cents. And as bears will want to book some profit, expect the buy side activity to see doubling demand as both buyers and sellers will want to buy Dogecoins. So over here, I don't know why they say want to buy Dogecoin coins. Just call it Dogecoin. Why they had to say Dogecoin coins? It's just crazy. Anyways, this will translate into a quick reversal and bullish breakout towards the red and green trend lines that are now diverging between 24 cents and 22 cents. So the red trend line over here, which is downtrend line, and then the green trend line. And then as it crosses, you can see that's when we go on our bullish movement here with Dogecoin. So anyways, over here you can see once Doge bulls have recovered, you can expect some whipsaw, as they call it, price action as bears try to engage once again. So bulls, meanwhile, will want to try and reclaim 26 cents pretty much with Dogecoin. So they're pretty much saying next week is going to be pretty good for Dogecoin. Crypto in general is going to go up next week. So hopefully that's true, but we could never 100% predict the future. Now, I do want to mention here, a lot of Dogecoin whales are still holding. A lot of Dogecoin whales are buying the dip here. So we have this Dogecoin whale over here with a hold of $330 million. Now they're down to $303 million, but still they're still holding it since the 12th. Then we got this Dogecoin whale came in yesterday, $86.7 million, still holding. Now they're at $92.1 million. They can buy a mansion with that right now. You got over here, this Dogecoin whale came in way back in 2018, and just recently they bought 23 cents worth of Doge. So they bought one Doge, like pretty much today they bought one Doge. But in 2018, they spent a bunch of money on Doge. They spent $1.8 million in 2018, meaning they were really bullish in Doge in 2018. $1.8 million. Today, that $1.8 million is $70 million. From 2018 till now, that's 3 years. Literally, they made, that's a lot of money right there. Like, inside 3 years, from 1.8 million to 70 million, that's big time money right there. Now over here, you got this Dogecoin whale. They've been buying the dip progressively. So yesterday they bought in 2.4 million, and then a few days before that, on the 15th, they bought 71.4 million. So they continue to buy more and more Doge. Now over here, you got this one right here. They came in yesterday 27.1 million. Now they're at 28.1 million. They could buy a nice mini mansion or get a nice condo in Miami. But yeah, a lot of stuff is going on here with crypto. I mean, crypto is definitely in a good area right now, because when we have these dips, this is where real money is made, when people buy the dips. Now, I'm not saying this is the bottom of the dip, like we just went over the technical analysis, and I pretty much just went over how this is not the bottom of the dip. We're going to continue to go down a little bit more, and when this happens, you want to be prepared to get in and make those profits. Anyways, like I said, though, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And let me know what you all want me to go over next in the comment section. And also, if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a Cash App or PayPal donation through the donation link in the description. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link inside of the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. As always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.